I'm Dr. Katie Bramlett, and this is ear training for all musicians. And today we're going to talk about pitch. What is pitch? How do we hear pitch? And how do we talk about pitch? So, Winky's board. In music, pitch is the general or relative highness or lowness of a sound. So when we say highness or lowness, we're referring to frequency, and frequency is sound waves. So the faster the waves of sound through the air, the higher the pitch. So up here would be high. Down here would be low. High pitch, low pitch. So where people sometimes get confused is they want to refer to highness and lowness in terms of its volume. But here we're not talking about volume, we're talking about the frequency of the sound. So you can apply this knowledge about the highness or lowness of a sound in ear training as you're listening to or playing music. You can study the shape of the melody that you're playing. When is it going higher? When is it going lower? What's the general shape of the music? And that we call contour. So in the practice video to accompany this lesson, what I'll do is play pairs of pitches, and I'll ask you to determine whether the second pitch is higher or lower than the first pitch. So in this way, you'll be practicing listening to contour, however short it may be, just 2 pitches, but that's a good place to start. So enjoy the practice video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and sign up for notifications so that you can catch my new videos as they are posted. All right, see you later.